Hello, my name is Brennan, and I am the McGraw-Hill consultant for Cal State San Bernardino. The Spanish department and my team collaborated to come up with your course materials for the current semester for Spanish 101, 102, and 103. Today I will be briefing you on Connect and LearnSmart, where you'll be going to access a portion of your assignments for the term. We'll talk about registration as well as some best practices for running the program. We'll get into your purchasing options. We'll look at the specific resources that are available to you, in particular LearnSmart, and technical support. For the smoothest experience when running Connect, I personally recommend one of these three web browsers. If you have a Mac at home, Safari is fine. Beyond that, Firefox or Chrome come recommended. Please note that we ask that you refrain from using Internet Explorer when accessing Connect. Much like an application for your smartphone, Internet Explorer updates a bit too rapidly for McGraw-Hill, and so it can create for a bit of an unuser-friendly experience. We also ask that you intermittently clear the cookies or web browsing history on your Internet browser. Like any other web-based application, Connect has a tendency of getting weighed down, slowed down, if there's just too much space taken up through your web history. I'll show you how to register here in just a moment. It is a good best practice when you register for the very first time. If you scroll to the very bottom of the Connect home screen, you'll see there's a link there that says Troubleshooting. If you click that link, it's going to run a diagnostic for whatever device you are using to access Connect. That diagnostic is going to identify any programs that either need to be installed or updated on your computer in order to run Connect most effectively. If a program is outmoded or needs to be reconfigured, it will be highlighted with a link, and you just follow that link to where you need to go to change that. So those are three quick and easy steps you can take before you access any of the content to ensure you have a smooth experience in the program. Your required materials for this course are Tumundo by Andrade, Egas, Munoz, and Cabrera. Please note that your instructors have set aside a 3-volume edition in the Cal State campus bookstore. Depending on which class you're in, you will have just the chapters and workbook access that you will need in order to access Connect. Also, please note that the image on the left of Tumundo and then the 3 images on the right are in fact the very same book. The 3 images on the right together complete the image of the book on the left. The images on the right are what's available to you in the bookstore, and again contain the print text along with the workbook Connect access code. Registration is pretty straightforward. You're just going to log into your Blackboard account through Cal State. You'll locate Spanish 101, 102, or 103 with your instructor. Locate the folder that will contain your workbook and lab manual or your Connect assignments for the class and click on that. You'll see a list of icons very similar to these. For the purposes of registration, just click on any one of those icons and you'll be greeted with a welcome screen for Connect. Go ahead and click Continue, and then you'll be asked to enter an email address. Please note that we ask that you use your Cal State University email when registering in Connect. It is the official email the college will use to correspond with you for your time in the class. And then go ahead and click Submit. Everyone will be brought to this screen. This is where your options play out. I did mention the Cal State bookstore earlier. If you acquired your materials in the Cal State University bookstore, you have both the print text as well as your Connect access code. Go ahead and enter that access code here on the left and redeem by clicking Submit. Maybe you're on financial aid. Maybe your work schedule is still up in the air and you're not sure if you're going to be sticking with the course. In the meantime, McGraw-Hill will provide you with 2 weeks of courtesy access to Connect. You'll have access to the e-text, you'll have access to all your workbook and lab manual assignments in the interim, and at the end of those 2 weeks you will need to make a decision. Do you purchase a code, will you drop the class, or work out some other alternative with your professor? Which leads to the third option, which is buying the code directly from McGraw-Hill. You can always purchase a code directly from us. Just click Buy Online, enter your credit card. The cost of the code is $130, and this is an all-digital option. There is no print text that will automatically accompany buying online. Everyone will create an account in Connect, first name, last name, security question, security answer, password, and you're all set. Snapshot of the Connect homepage. I mentioned Blackboard, so all your coursework will actually be located inside of Blackboard. So please ensure that you are staying in Blackboard when accessing all of your workbook and lab manual and LearnSmart assignments. LearnSmart is a study tool. It was inspired by the same technology you may have found either on Amazon or Netflix, where the user, or in this case the student, have a profile with the technology. LearnSmart is going to be asking you questions based on the vocabulary and the grammar for whatever chapter you're reading that week. You'll note you have a question and you have an answer set. However, LearnSmart is going to be asking you to assign a cognitive value to your answer. This is not a test, this is not a quiz, although there may be assignments set up for credit. Moreover, LearnSmart is trying to identify any parts in either the reading or the lecture that maybe you're not totally understanding. This is a comprehensive self-assessment tool. Much like a flashcard, LearnSmart is going to be recirculating questions in slightly different variations. So when you see that information again, it is more likely to move from your short-term memory and into your long-term memory. We've been using this program for a little over a year now at Cal State, and we're getting a lot of great feedback, and we hope you enjoy it. Thank you for your time. My final slide is on tech support. In the event you experience any issue with Connect or LearnSmart, it's very important you know your instructor is not tech support, so please do not bombard them with your technical related questions. I've already given you a couple of troubleshooting measures between the diagnostic, the clearing of your web history, and the web browser. If you're still experiencing a problem with the program, please give our customer care team a call and note their number here and their working hours. In the event the customer care agent is not able to solve your issue on the spot, they're going to issue you a case number. It's very important you write that case number down. You'll want to bring that to your instructor's attention, who will in turn contact my team. So we'll get involved and come up with a solution for you. Thank you again for your time, and best of luck in introductory Spanish.